Hey everyone, welcome back to Zubair Creative Studio, your ultimate guide for turning creativity into opportunities. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell your designs on Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, this step-by-step tutorial will get you up and running in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, head over to canva.com and create an account. It's super easy. Next, open your browser and search for Canva Creators. To make it even easier for you, I've included the direct link in the video description. Just click and go. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. You'll land on a new interface with a button that says Become a Creator. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll see a new interface with the Apply button. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page with two options, Designer and Teacher. If you're a designer creating thumbnails, templates, or other design elements, select the Designer option. Then, click Continue. If you're applying as a teacher, select the second option. The steps remain similar. Now, fill out all the required information. You'll need to share the URL of one of your uploaded designs, choose your country, and add some text in the box explaining your work. Once everything is filled out, click the Submit button. You'll see a confirmation message from Canva indicating that your application has been sent to their team for review. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zubair Creative Studio for more amazing tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you're applying as a Canva creator or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.